looking for an RV resort that feels more like a vacation destination than just a campground, Coconut's RV Resort at Lake of the Ozarks might be exactly what you're looking for. We drove about 3 hours from St. Louis, making this an easy weekend getaway for us. We stayed in Site 35, a full hookup site with water, sewer, and 50 amp electric. The site was level, making setup quick and easy, and we had plenty of room for our fifth wheel, truck, and outdoor space. Each site includes a picnic table, and fire rings are available to rent in the camp store. The bathhouse was clean, bright, and well maintained during our stay. If you prefer using campground facilities, these are definitely a nice feature. Right next door is the laundry room, which is always convenient for longer trips or anyone living the RV life. The office also doubles as a camp store where you can grab those last-minute camping essentials. They sell propane, firewood, ice, snacks, drinks, and other necessities. There are plenty of ways to stay active around the campground. Kids will love the playground, while adults can challenge each other on the pickleball courts or squeeze in a workout at the fitness center. One of our favorite unique features was the fenced dog park, complete with its own dog pool. Chip's favorite thing is swimming, so when he saw the pool in the dog park, he was in seventh heaven. Now let's talk about what really makes Coconuts stand out, the water attractions. The campground has separate pools for adults and kids, giving everyone their own space to relax or play. But the biggest attraction is Bananas Waterpark, located right next to the campground. It's packed with slides, splash features, and activities that make this feel more like a family resort than a traditional campground. If you're camping during the summer, this alone is worth the trip. If you're looking for more of an adult's getaway, Bananas also features an adults-only pool with a fun, lively atmosphere. This isn't your typical quiet pool. It's the place to grab a drink, listen to music, and enjoy the party vibe while the kids splash and play elsewhere. We spent most of our time at the family side of Bananas Water Park, and it was perfect for hanging out with the kids. Even though the adults-only pool is right next door, we never heard or noticed any of the party atmosphere while we were enjoying the family pool. Overall, we were really impressed with Coconut's RV Resort. Between the spacious full hookup sites, clean facilities, family-friendly amenities, and all the fun activities, it's easy to see why so many families come back year after year. Whether you're looking for a relaxing weekend away or a campground that can keep the kids entertained all day, Coconuts is definitely worth adding to your camping bucket list. If you found this review helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite RV resort at Lake of the Ozarks? And if you're new here, subscribe to Miles from Missouri for honest campground reviews, RV tips, and family adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next mile marker.